Let me show you how we can open and exit the incognito mode in a browser on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. In this video, I'm going to use two examples. I'm going to go to the Chrome browser first in order to show you how to do that over here. In this case, we need to tap on these three dots that we have in the top right corner, and then we have New Incognito tab. So we can select it, and there we go. We are in incognito mode. In order to close it, you can tap on this square with a number. This number represents the number of tabs opened in the incognito mode, and you can simply close it by just tapping on this X in the top right corner of the tab. Now, in the case of the Samsung browser, in order to open the incognito mode, what you need to do is simply tap on the tab icon or tabs icon. In this case, I have just one tab. So we want to go over here, and then we can turn on the secret mode. Press start, and this is our incognito mode. If you want to exit it, then you can just go back to the same spot and just turn off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.